Good morning students, it's a maths period of class 2nd and today I explain money. And students, we all know that the money makes many things. Different countries follow their own money to exchange things. Our Indian standard money is called rupee and our money is in the form of coins and currency notes. Paper money is called the currency. Here is the list of coins. Here the 25 paise, then the 50 paise, now the 1 rupee, 2 rupee and the 5 rupees. And these are the list of currencies. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and the 10 rupees. And 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 500 rupees and the 1000 rupees. Now we say that the 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. That means 1 rupee has a 100 paise. Here the letter P denotes paise and the RE denotes the rupee and the RS denote the rupees. If you have interest, you too can collect the different coins and notes. You can start learning by counting different kind of money for better understanding. Now student, I explain the exercise on page number 97, money maths. And here, tick to change money. Here we have to tick the proper money for a given note or coin. Now the first already done here the 20 rupees and we have to tick here 10 rupees and 10 rupees, that is 10 plus 10 is 20. Now the second is 5 rupees. So here rupees 10, 1, then 2, 2 and 1 rupees. So here we have to take 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 is 4 and the plus 1 is 5. So here we have to check rupees 2, then 2 and 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now the third is rupees 10. And here we have to tick the proper money. So here the rupees 5, then now rupees 2, then 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 8, that is rupees 1 and the rupees 2. Now we have to total 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So we take rupees 5, then rupees 2, rupees 1 and rupees 2. Now the fourth is rupees 20. Now here the rupees 10, so we take first rupees 10 and then again we require the rupees 10. So 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So I take rupees 5 and rupees 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15 and 15 plus 5 is 20. Now the next is rupees 100. And here rupees 50, rupees 20, then again rupees 50 and rupees 10. So 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So I take rupees 50 and rupees 50. Now the next is again rupees 100 and here the rupees 50, rupees 20, rupees 20 and rupees 10. So 50 plus 20 is 70 and 70 plus 20, 90 and 90 plus 10 is 100. So 50, I take 50, 20, then again 20 and rupees 10. So 50 plus 20 and plus 10 is rupees 100. So student, here you have to complete the page number 97. Now student, let us learn the exercise on the page number 98. And here also the same question as page number 97, that is the take two match. And here 7 rupees is given and we have to take the money. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7 rupees is given. So we take rupees 1, again rupees 1 and rupees 5. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7 rupees. Now the next is 35 paise, and here the some coins of paise and rupees also given. So it's 10 paisa, then 50 paise, then 25 paise, and 5 rupees and 2 rupees. Here the 35 paise is given, so we consider only paise. Now here the 10, then 10 paisa, then 50 paisa. So 10 plus 50 is 60, but we need only 35 paise. So we consider 25. So 10 plus 25 is 35 paise. So we take 10 paise and the 25 paise is equal to 35 paise. Now the next is 14 rupees. So 10 plus 15 is 15 rupees, but we need 14 rupees. So 10 rupees 10, then 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 rupees, then again we need the 2 rupees. So I tick on that rupees 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14 rupees. Now you have to complete these two on page number 98. Now we start the second question, and the second question is fill in. Here you have to add the money. Now the first is 50 paise plus 25 paise is equal to how many? So here we have to add. So 0 plus 5 is 5 and the 5 plus 2 is 7. So 75 paise. Now 50 paise plus 50 paise is equal to rupees. Students, I already explained that the 50 paise plus 50 paise is equal to 100 paise. Is equal to 100 paise, but 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So here we have to write the 50 paise plus 50 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So I write here 1 rupee. Now the 25 paise plus 10 paise plus 10 paise. So we have to add the both. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and again 0 is, that is the 5. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 45 paise. Now the next is 20 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. So we have to add the both. Now the first is 0 plus 5, then 5 plus 2 is 7. So I write here 7 and now only tens place digit, that is the 2. So the 20 rupees plus 5 rupees and plus 2 rupees is equal to 27 rupees. Now the next is 3 rupees is equal to 2 rupees plus. So 2 में अगर कितने ऐड किए तो हमें 3 रुपीज मिलेंगे, 2 rupees plus 1 rupee. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now the same next question is 15 rupees is equal to 5 rupees. अगर 5 में हमने कितने ऐड किए तो हमें 15 rupees मिलेंगे. So 5 rupees plus rupees 10. If we minus the 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So I write here 10 rupees. Now the 25 rupees is equal to, so 10 plus 10 is 20 and 20 plus 5 is 25. So I write here 5 rupees. The next is 42 rupees. So 20 plus 20 is 40. Now we need the 2 rupees. So I write here 2 rupees. So 20 plus 20 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 2 rupees is equal to 42 rupees. So students, here you have to complete also page number 98.